In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a survey in QuestionPro. Now, inside your account, you first want to go to Surveys, top left, and then hover over Survey Software and click on Surveys. Now, from here, you must again go to the Surveys menu to actually see the surveys you have. And then from here, to actually copy one of them, you simply want to hover over it and go to the far right where you can see the three dots, click on those, and then click on Copy. Now, from here, it's going to ask you for a name. You want to give your new copied survey. By default, it's just a copy of the basic name, so I'm just going to leave it like it is over here. And then you also have to select your folder. So over here, I'm going to select this first folder, and then you have two options. So we have the copy survey option and the copy survey legacy. Okay, now sometimes when I click on copy survey, as you can see, it's not going to work. And if that happens to you, you can just click on copy survey legacy, and that usually will work, and it's going to copy your survey. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.